Are you looking for the best bikes? In this video, we will look at some of the best bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. 630 Around the Block Bike. Timeless beach cruiser bike style plus quality running gear and a convenient e-assist option make this a top choice overall for best commuter bike with a step-through, women's style frame. If you're looking for a relaxed ride in classic beach cruiser style, this might be the best bike for the money right now. The Around the Block is priced competitively and features plenty of quality, well-proven components like the Shimano 7-speed hub, aluminum wheels with versatile waffle tread tires, the option of an electric motor giving as much as 500 W of power assist and disc brakes for quick stopping power. Great for riding around the neighborhood, college campus or, of course, at the beach, this cruiser is easier to ride comfortably than our more narrowly focused picks for the best road bike. The 630 lets you sit upright and its relatively soft, cushy seat makes for a comfortable, leisurely ride. Make sure you protect it with the best bike lock. At number 2. Schwinn Loop Folding Bike. A high-quality folding bike that is easy to store or throw in the back of a car. Plus it's from one of the best bike brands around, this Schwinn adds lots of convenience and doesn't compromise on riding experience. Smallish 20 wheels limit top speed less suited to rugged terrain than some hybrid bicycles. Folding bikes offer fantastic portability and this model is no exception. This well-designed folding commuter bike is easy to set up and get moving, and since it weighs only 33 pounds, very light for a folding bike, is one of the easier bicycles to take with you on the subway, on road trips, or just to have in your car for a more eco-friendly and parking-friendly hybrid commute. It also makes a great city bike. Folded up, it measures just 29.5 x 29 x 19 inches. It uses a 7-speed Shimano Tourney hub, giving plenty of versatility to climb small hills and providing a decent cruising ratio so you don't have to pedal too fast, in spite of the small 20 wheels. It also allows for a good seating position, with plenty of height adjustability on both the seat support and handlebars. It includes a rear carry rack and even comes with a nylon bag. The best electric bike is another good option for fun on 2 wheels. At number 3. Mongoose Dolomite Mountain Bike. A rugged off-road focused mountain bike, this Mongoose bicycle comes with fat tires for added comfort and a durable steel frame, plus front and rear disc brakes for sure-footed stopping. This fat tire trail bike from Mongoose, long considered one of the best bike brands for BMX bikes, mountain bikes and hybrid bicycles, is a simple yet effective tool for rugged trail riding. The steel frame handles dips and jumps well, and the 4 wide mud and snow tires allow for excellent grip in challenging terrain. The Mongoose Dolomite also has sophisticated front and rear disc brakes, allowing it to stop effectively even on hills, and making it easy to lock up a wheel for power slides on dirt or mud. It also has a 7-speed hub so you can shift gears for going uphill. It does weigh about 49 pounds, so it can be a handful especially for smaller riders, and those huge tires don't make it the best for easy cruising on pavement. However, if you want more power on 2 wheels, try the best motorcycles. At number 4. Strider 14X Sport Balance Bike. This innovative kids bicycle can convert from a push-balance bike to a real bicycle with pedals, making it a good investment for kids learning to ride a bike. If you have young children who are just learning to ride a grown-up bike, this youth bicycle from Strider is a great stepping stone to real bike riding. It starts out as a little kid's push bike, without pedals, but comes with the ability to mount a sprocket, hub and pedal set, converting it into a real, fully functional bike for kids, making it effectively a bike with training wheels. Unfortunately, the pedals aren't included with your purchase, but it's an easy upgrade, and you don't need special tools to install the sprocket and pedals. The Strider 14X is designed for kids ranging in age from about 3 to 7, and as such it offers lots of adjustability in seat and handlebar heights, so it can literally grow with your kids. You can also check out the fastest hoverboard for more fun. The best hoverboard is a whole different experience. At number 5. Schwinn Mountain Bike. It's time to unleash your inner rider. Get on the 29-inch men's Schwinn High Timber and feel the stress of the day instantly melt away with that first, emphatic pedal. This bike is designed to handle dirt and gravel trails or works for a casual ride around the neighborhood. Riding with your friends, check. Riding for stress reduction, check. Riding for the simple pleasure of feeling the wind tickle your face, check. Say hello to a bike with 21-speed Shimano twist shifters, a Shimano rear derailleur, and a steel mountain-style frame with a front suspension fork so you don't feel all those bumps and thumps when you're out on the path. Big 29 or all-terrain tires, alloy rims and alloy hubs provide the durability and traction you need to own the trail, while alloy cranks keep things running smoothly. All that and even more features that will make you wish you hadn't waited so long. Go already. Feel happy and ride. Like all Schwinn bikes, the High Timber comes with a limited lifetime for as long as you own the bike. Enjoy the freedom of riding a Schwinn. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.